Yo, what's going on guys? Zaki here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to be creating your first Minecraft plugin. So you're going to need IntelliJ IDEA for this, and you're going to need a test server. I'm just going to use the server that I made from last episode, but it's just a 1.16.3 server, because, I don't know, I just have Optifine for 1.16.3. Okay, so you need IntelliJ, and you're going to need a JDK to be able to use this. So, and you're also going to need this plugin right here. So we're going to be using the Minecraft plugin. So Minecraft development, just search that in the marketplace. And you guys saw how I got to that, and then you just click install. You'll have to restart your IntelliJ, so then you press OK. Alright, now we can create a new project, and we're going to title it Spigot. And this is our JDK that I have. I have 15.0.1. Alright. And we click Spigot, because we're making a Spigot plugin. You can make any of these plugins down here. Now this is the version, so 1.0. The artifact ID is basically just the name. So tutorial. And this, people do like com, if they have websites, com.whatever. I just like to do me, and then my name. Okay, and we have Maven here. And now here's our plugin description. Creates a simple command, my name or your name, youtube.com/c/Zaki. That's what it's gonna be, and we can select the Minecraft version that we want all the way up to 1.12. So I'm gonna select 1.16.3 just because that's what my server runs on. So, and we can also make it depend on stuff, and I'll show you guys all that later. But yeah, just for now we can do this. So next, and then this is just the project name again. So tutorial. And I have the project location set to my desktop. You guys can change this to wherever you want. So yeah. Finish. Create. Alright. I know there's probably going to be questions about this, so I'm just going to show you guys the theme I use for IntelliJ, because you can have different themes. I'm using Hyper-B Dark. It's a plugin. Just look up B theme or whatever. Okay, so this line of code right here, this is just what the plugin does on the startup. As you can see, it says plugin startup logic. Okay, so if you guys wanted to print out something to your console, this is what you can do. You can do system.out.print. And then to make it have color, we do chat color, and we press tab to import stuff. And then tab blue, now plus, and we're gonna add a string here, so it's gonna send a message. Tutorial has started. So this is what your plugin will say to the console whenever we put this into our Minecraft server. Okay, and an easier way to do this as well is just typing S out and then press tab. And we can make chat color dot blue, and we're gonna put our command up here, and we're gonna say tutorial commands have loaded. So this is what it's gonna say on the start, and this this right here is what it's gonna say in the start. This right here is going to be what it's gonna say on the stop. So we're going to do S out, chat color blue, plus tutorial has stopped. So whenever we shut down our server, this is what it'll say in the console. Okay, and now let's get to making our actual command. So you're going to want to come to here where you see this little faucet, and you're going to click that arrow, source, main, Java, and here we have our main class. So this is our main class pretty much. We're going to create a new package right here. I'm going to title this commands, just like that. And now inside of that package, we're going to create a new Java class, and let's call it fly. We're going to make a fly command. So now we're going to do implements, command executor, And now we're going to do public boolean on command, and it's going to return false. Okay, make sure you guys don't get rid of this, or if you do, then make sure to re-add it. Alright, so now we have basically if somebody sends a command, then whatever's in here will run. So let's start with an if statement. If sender, and the sender is basically just the player, is an instance of player, right? And we'll import that. Put our curly braces. Now we're gonna cast this, or whatever it's called, just to make it easier for you guys. So now we can use player instead of sender, player dot whatever. Oh, okay. So now if the sender is an instance of the player, we can do player dot set allow flight, and then we put true because it's a boolean. So now they'll be flying, and now we're gonna send him a message saying player dot send message chat color dot blue plus you are now flying. Okay, now that looks like it's all good. I'll show you guys in like a later tutorial on how to like add permissions, how to like access config files, like how other plugins do. I'll show you guys all that if you guys want me to, and we'll just go ahead and make this look a little better. Now we want to go back to our main class. We want to do get command. So this is like to register the command, and this is the name of the command, so let's just name it fly. And dot set executor, so this is gonna be our executor right here, and we're gonna do new fly, just like that. And now our command should be in the thing, and we're also gonna need to go and register the command, so we have to in our like plugin.yml. So we'll go to resources, plugin.yml, and we'll double click that, go to the next line, type commands fly description, and sets the player to be able to fly. Alright, now our plugin should be able to run, so we can just go up here and we can press run tutorial build, or you can shift plus F10. So we're just going to click that, and it's going to build our project with Maven. And now we can access our plugin from here. We go to target, and then we're going to want to go to the one that doesn't say original. I don't know why it prints out two, but whatever. Show and explore. So here's our thing. And now let's go to our server. And I made a tutorial on how to make a server like this. So go check that out. I'll have the little eye thing. So just click that eye and check it out. So we're going to want to go to our plugins folder. Drag this over here. Now we have it in there. And now when we go to run our server, we should see in the console that message that we sent, which is tutorial has started, and then once this loads, it will say commands have loaded. Alright? So that's what should happen once we click this run.bat. So we're going to do that right now. So here we go, and there it is, right there. Commands have loaded, tutorial has started. Alright, now we should be able to log in, and if you guys don't remember, it's just localhost, just like that. So let's join the server. Now we are in the game, and let's go into game mode survival. Alright, so now we're in survival. /fly is not a regular Minecraft command, it's just game and creative, all that stuff. So now let's do /fly and see if it sends us a message. And there we go. Now we can fly. It says you are now flying. I can show you guys how to make this toggleable, so if they do /fly again, then it won't it will take them out of fly. But yeah. Also, let's do one more thing. No, let me not die. Whew. Alright. Let's do one more thing, okay? So right here it says if the sender, right? So I'm the sender, I'm the player, I'm sending the command. So let's do /fly, and it says now flying. So if the sender is instance of player, then it does all this, right? Now we can add an else statement. If it's not a player, so let's say we're sending it from config, like we're doing /fly here. We do the curly braces and then just press enter. So we're going to do, because it's going to be from config, we're going to do s out, because otherwise they can't see it. Track color dot blue, or let's do red, plus you cannot execute this command, or no, only players can execute this command. So if the sender is not a player, then it will say only players can execute this command. So we're gonna have to rerun this build. There we go, we got it there. And now show in Explorer, copy, and go over to our test server, plugins, paste, and replace the file. Now we just have to reload our server, reload confirm. It says it has stopped, obviously. And there we go. And now we are still on the server. And now let's do /fly. It obviously still works, you know. But now let's do /fly from the console. And look, it says only players can execute this command. So yeah, that's just how you do that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe if this helped you make your first plugin. And comment down below if you have any troubles. I'll be there to help you. And yeah, that's it, boys. Peace.
Yeah, you gotta have